Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This video is very special. I'm recording it for the world leaders, for them to think and work towards peace, peace. And I have behind me the words of Buckminster Fuller. Integrity is the essence of everything. Integrity is the essence of everything. So I pray for the world leaders to have love, wisdom, and integrity to do the right thing for their people, to have peace. So this video is the burning furnace, or the coal burial ground is waiting for you at the end of life. The burning furnace or the coal burial ground is waiting for you at the end of life. So, at the end of your life, your body is either burned in a furnace to ashes and scattered in the sea or earth, or kept in an urn, or buried in the ground to be food for worms, right? So this is the cold hard truth of how everyone would end up in life. So what are you living for? What legacy do you want to leave behind? How would you want to be remembered for? So I highly recommend you read the book Live Your Dash. It's a best-selling book. Live Your Dash, Make Every Moment Matter by Linda Ellis. There's a video that went viral on YouTube also. So you just key in Live Your Dash. The dash is a reminder to live our lives with all we've got, appreciate the blessings we've been given, and do everything possible to make our time on earth meaningful. Senator Bob Dole. So again, this I highly recommend all the world leaders to read the book Live Your Dash. So it's there's a poem here, so I read to you. Live your dash, make every moment matter. The line etched into a headstone between the dates of birth and death represents each step we take on earth and every single breath. To many, it is but a hyphen, marking time between the years, but in that little dash is a lifetime of laughter, love, and tears. We each create the legacy our dash will someday represent, and decide if the life we are given is truly lived or merely spent. Some deem themselves successful if they can spend in large amounts, but how you live your only dash is all that really counts. Because success should not be measured in what you will buy or own, but in the pride you feel in the person you're with when you are all alone. Time steals our days and hours before we recognize the theft, and we live each day not knowing how much of our dash is left. The responsibilities of daily life, the bills, the jobs, the cash, affect the way we choose to use this important little dash. Life uses special moments, much like a poet uses rhyme, to engrave upon our hearts and souls single precious blocks of time. We often overlook these gifts, though we may not mean to do it. We walk right past a special moment instead of walking through it. These memories in the making are happening now and happening here. If we don't take the time to make the time, they quickly disappear. To experience each moment, to laugh, to love, to live. To learn just how much to take from life, then just how much to give. For when our time on earth is ending, We won't remember every day, but we will recall these moments, those moments we choose to live along the way. Consider your lifetime as a novel. You, the sole author and creator, writing and living every chapter for those to read and cherish later. Will they say you live your dash with worry, stress, and chatter, or know you seized every chance you had to make every moment matter? So, I'm 66 already. See, my hair is falling, not much. So just imagine when I'm 86 or 96, with God's blessing. And my teeth, I take good care of them, so there are no denture. It's all real. But there come a time I may have to have denture or have implants when I'm 86 or 96. And this body of mine is not going to go forever. So what is the legacy you want to leave behind? So I pray the world leaders will have the love, wisdom, and integrity to really care for their people, to have peace, peace, peace for their people. In mighty Jesus Christ's name I pray. Amen. God bless you.